So the leadership of now two parish football associations, the St. Anne FA initially, and now the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, CASAFA, have come out emphatically calling for JFF President Mike Ricketts to do the right thing and resign. Mention was made of the infamous court case and, of course, the lack of competence and trust in the administration from key stakeholders, including government and the vital private sector. For me, the court case is settled. $9 million is enough punishment for Mr. Ricketts for that indiscretion. The issues of competence and trust are serious issues. If Jamaica is to embark on a progressive path forward in football with an administration that the government and the potential sponsors don't rate or don't trust, that is the quintessential lame duck administration. That, for me, is untenable. And it would be downright selfish and self-serving for Mr. Ricketts and Mr. Wint and all the parish presidents who put them there, for them to see the shun and the scorn and the disrespect and to feel the crippling effects on the football and still hang on and cling on to power. Then the football will be doomed to the doldrums of a deep, dark abyss.